Welcome to the Turkish Chef YouTube channel. I am happy to share a wonderful melt-in-your-mouth donut recipe in this video. Remember to subscribe and like our channel if you want more great recipes before making our recipe. Melt the butter, which we will use later, and mix. And it stays on the side. We put 250 milligrams of cold milk in your container. Let's add 25 grams of fresh yeast to the milk. Let's add 70 grams of sugar. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. Add 2 egg yolks and 2 eggs, both white and yolk. Let's mix our ingredients until they become homogeneous. Let's pour 550 grams of flour into it slowly and mix the dough. For our dough to be soft, we must gradually pour the flour and control its consistency. Let's keep mixing. We should mix the dough and slowly add the butter be melted before. We aim to reach a consistency like cotton. I take the dough to the counter and continue to knead by hand. I'm sure you will do better than me. Let the dough rise in a greased bowl. The dough needs to rest for 1.5 hours. During rest, it will both swell and reach a remarkable consistency. Let's knead the rested dough and remove the air in it. I cut it into small pieces of 50 grams each. You can divide it into larger or smaller pieces if you wish. We keep the dough balls that I have turned into 22 meringues until the oil is hot. He heats sunflower oil to 175 degrees in a pan to fry our donuts. If we do not have a thermometer, we must ensure that the oil is heated for 10 to 15 minutes. We throw our donuts into the frying oil and fry for 1.5 minutes. If it is browning too quickly, the temperature needs to be lowered. Remember to turn it while frying. While frying our donuts, be careful not to stick to each other. We take our fried donuts on a plate. We should put it under the plate to absorb the excess oil. Our donuts were just as soft as we wanted. Now we can fill them with jam, milk cream, and chocolate. I will fill the raspberry jam. Let's remember to sprinkle powdered sugar on top. Thank you for watching my video. Subscribe to my channel and like the video so you don't miss great recipes.